Hello, everybody. Hope you're having a good week. I wanted to give you another, real world example here of hotel restaurants. Now, when we had Grand Casino Tunica, now this was the first casino resort as you left Memphis heading south. We had two standalone hotels. One hotel had a restaurant that was failing miserably. Management at that property treated it like it was a required amenity. It was a box to check, had to have a hotel, had to have a restaurant, and they only recognized it as a necessary expense. Now, one of the many problems was nobody wanted to eat there. The food was mediocre, the service was non existent, and frankly, it was always empty. Locals ignored it, and guests left the property to find better options. The restaurant bled money. So we flipped the script. And back in those days, this was unique, but we tried it. We invested money in an up and coming chef. His name was Emeril Lagasse. You guys probably know him now already. He had a following, an up and coming following, kind of a, excuse me, nobody really knew him, but if you knew him, you were in. He updated the menu, and this was key. We marketed the place as the outlet, as an outlet as a standalone restaurant. It just happened to be inside of one of our hotels. Suddenly, the locals were booking tables. I say suddenly, it took a few months for them to get a handle on it and understand what was going on. And guests felt like they had an insider spot right there in the lobby. So we had a lot of traffic that would come in from outside the casino environment just to eat there. Now, the lesson here, one of the many that we learned, is hotel food and beverage must stand on its own. If your restaurant can't survive outside the hotel bubble, it'll struggle inside too. So hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and we'll talk soon.